Is Siri not responding or working on your iPhone? This can happen because of wrong settings, microphone problems, or software glitches. In this guide, I'll show you simple steps to fix Siri. Let's dive in. Verify internet connection. Open your browser and visit fast.com to check internet speed. If it's slow, turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds, then turn it off. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which works better. Solution 1. Enable Siri from accessibility. Open settings, scroll down, tap accessibility, scroll down, tap Siri, scroll down, enable always listen for Siri. Solution 2. Check Siri settings. Open settings, scroll down and tap Siri. Tap talk to Siri. Turn on press side button for Siri. Go back to the previous settings. Toggle on allow Siri when locked. If already enabled, toggle them off. Wait a moment, then toggle them back on. Solution 3. Re-enable Hey Siri. Open settings, tap Siri, tap talk to Siri. Turn off talk to Siri if it's turned on. Wait a moment, then tap on Hey Siri. Follow the prompts to retrain Siri to recognize your voice. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, tap general. Scroll down again and tap transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset, then select reset all settings, confirm when prompted. Now you should be able to fix Siri not working on your iPhone. If this video helped, hit that like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.